of Commonwealth countries and observers, the Right Honourable Patricia Scotland, Secretary General of Commonwealth, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, good morning from Pakistan. Although I am not able to be among you in person, it is my honour to address this august gathering of Commonwealth family. I would like to convey my felicitations and profound gratitude to President Paul Kagame, the government and people of Rwanda for hosting this meeting in the beautiful city of Kigali. As we unite here today to think about the future of our nations, I appreciate the impact such multilateral forums can create to implement our shared values and principles as per the Commonwealth Charter. Excellencies, more than 60% of the total population of Commonwealth countries comprises of youth, which holds the future of our world in its hands. Further, with the increased role of technology and use of digital medium, we have come to realize that digital transformation is the key to achieve innovative, inclusive, and sustainable growth. Therefore, I express my resolve to take such measures that can help in decreasing digital divide and promote literacy and skills to our youth in all forms of education and learning. With immense pride, I take this opportunity to announce that Pakistan has been given the honour to host the 10th Commonwealth Youth Ministers meeting at its federal capital, Islamabad, in January 2023. I invite Commonwealth Youth Ministers to visit Pakistan, explore the beauty and diversity of our beautiful country, and give us a chance to show our hospitality. We stand ready to contribute to the collective endeavours for development of Commonwealth youth. I thank you all.